Welcome to Completely Irrelevant. Today we're doing something that's completely irrelevant.
It's true. Alright, today we're going to build a lighthouse. It's super sweet, super fun, and a lot of math. It's about 16 feet tall, hexagon shape, 2 roofs, windows, and plenty of storage inside. Now we're building this off-site. My dad's 60th birthday is coming up in a week or so. He's super into seaside nautical stuff, and we made this for him. So we got a few more things to do. When we bring it on site, we're gonna have to take this apart. It comes apart in 3 different pieces. That way we can travel. It is gonna be on the freeway pretty soon here. So we left the shingles off the roof. Later we're gonna shingle it, and we're gonna add a beacon on the inside so it actually lights up like a real lighthouse. Not only that, these door panels do come off, but they will have hinges and a handle so you can store stuff down below and inside. Along with that, there's a little bit more backing to add for traveling purposes, and we're going to be sheeting the floor so that it's stable and you can store stuff at will. Also, it's just really big. It's huge. It's huge. Now, there is a lot of math involved, a lot of geometric shape going on, but it's actually not as difficult as you would think to build. It took us a few days. But once you do one thing, you just repeat it 6 times because it is a hexagon. So let's get started.
So come with us on this journey. It's gonna be fun.
This is my favorite part.
This has got to be the best intro on the internet.
It is, I checked.
You did? Yeah. Is it a survey or something?
No, I just looked. It was the best. We're gonna do that and then
I think our microphone's falling over. Microphone.
stable. Fall protector. Story of my life. There you go.
One more time.
There's a little wheel.
Looks like my fingers are about to get cut off.
It does, but they're really like 2 feet away.
At least.
Close enough for framing.
That's a lot of pitch.
And it's a bent nail that still goes in. It's like it's a good feeling. You will submit. Even if we just tack the sheets on, I'll screw them off later. That's gonna take more time than anything. Just like a bunch of screws.
Everything looks better in slow motion.
It really does.
I didn't notice that before. Why do we have wind sound here? We're not even using that audio. Are we?
What? It's so filling and so delicious. Because there's probably going to be like
What were you talking about that's so filling and delicious?
a roof and stuff.
Huh?
You smashed your finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are sweet. It's like stuck in the backyard. We'll have to go over the roof. Right through the garage. Have to clear a pathway around the corner. I have Irish heritage. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You can actually make these with just scrap. No fasteners. Go team. Cutting some panels. What are they doing here? It's so mysterious. I'm like kind of getting sucked in. I'm like forgetting that we're doing a commentary right now. Just like kind of enjoying this.
Magical adventure, Jeff.
It really is, man. I've never worked with hexagons before. How's that looking?
You know, I like it.
You like it?
It's. I mean,
Nice taper?
I'm not sure how super accurate it is, but that looks like the right amount of taper to me.
Okay. Sweet. We need to find the angle on the bottom so that sits flush now. So. Here's our top angle.
Perfect.
It's okay, Rick. It's okay, I got you.
There's no way we can hear this. Good old Rick. Totally saved him. Look, he's up there smiling now. So happy that he didn't die.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember when he almost died when we were doing this?
You gotta wait until we get there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, remember when you almost died when we were doing this?
I guess you see this more.
Like right here, like right before this.
It's like.
It's like up and it felt so bad.
Put a green club on my
Shit. Yeah, no, those panels collapsed and that thing almost fell on Andrew's head and killed him. But luckily I was super awesome and saved the day and didn't allow that to happen.
This is insane. Go over there and look at it. Like, come back here and look at it. It's like, are you serious?
Yes. I'm always serious. It's quiet.
Too quiet.
Oh.
Are you all right?
I feel pretty good now that I'm on the ground.
collapsing aluminum bladder cam. Ian Medic?
No.
I like it.
It felt a lot worse.
It felt a lot worse?
On video.
Yeah. Well, I tried to make it look more suspenseful with, you know.
I'll just be able to hear the
Thanks.
sound.
Wow, I wasn't sure. I got up here and I was like, oh my god!
Yeah, you should definitely come up.
Fell out.
Just remember, in the vastness of space, this is
Completely irrelevant.
Comment
like
and subscribe.
now, please. Bye.